I was able to withdraw 1,000 cashback from my referral code. Before watching this video, make sure you were able to watch my first video so that you will know how you can generate your own code, how you can get that 100 pesos bonus from me by using my code. This is my referral code, by the way. That's a capital letter O, not zero. Just a quick recap from my video before. The good thing about ShopBack is that once that person used your code, both of you guys can get 100 pesos bonus. So that is a win. So the amount that I will share with you guys today, that is from the referral code. So with that, there are 3 things that I will discuss. First is how to withdraw cashback from ShopBack. Second, I'm gonna share to you guys how you can have a successful cashback too. And lastly is the duration on when did I receive my cashback. So how long? Because usually it takes a while for the cashback to, go to your available balance. Okay, first, how to withdraw cashback from ShopBack. So first, open the ShopBack app and then on the lower right, click account. And then after that, click withdraw cashback. Now from here, you can choose if you want bank transfer or e-wallet. So these are the available banks in bank transfer and for the e-wallet like GCash, PayMaya, PayPal. I know they have that. Actually, I was able to use both already, the bank transfer and the e-wallet. But I prefer the e-wallet because it takes around 1 to 2 days to process the cashback. So you can see it directly in your GCash. For the bank transfer, I think around 2 to 3 days. So it's not that bad if ever you don't have GCash. If you're not familiar yet with GCash, I can make a video for you. So just comment it down below if you guys want. Okay, so after choosing bank transfer or e-wallet, put the withdrawal amount below. So the minimum withdrawal amount is 200 pesos. And then after that, click withdraw. And then a verification code will be sent to you via SMS. And then after that, click next. And then your withdrawal will be processed already. So it's as easy as that. Okay, so you can track your cashback withdrawal by clicking account again and then click withdrawal history, and then you will see there if your cashback is still processing or if it is paid already. So it should appear in your bank account or e-wallet. Second is how you can have a successful cashback too. So once you've shared your code or referral link to your friend, and once you've also input your withdrawal details, your friend should use your referral code or referral link for it to work. And then make sure they also added their withdrawal details and they have to spend 300 pesos. I know any of the stores that is partnered with ShopBack, not necessarily with SHOPEE only. And once the cashback is confirmed, that is the time that you will get 100 pesos bonus. Okay, so my first video about ShopBack was March 20, 2021, right? And then more people were able to use my code. I was able to track like how long will it take for me to receive the cashback. So that's why, I told myself that I will only make this video once I was able to withdraw already and to prove that it's really legit, that it's really true. So from March 20, 2021 to July 31, 2021, since that is the date that I was able to withdraw, it took me 4 months for that 1,000 pesos like completed, available to withdraw. Like for me, I think it really depends on the person who will use your code because, with ShopBack, it takes so long in order for them to process the cashback. So you need to have patience with this one. But don't worry, the patience is, worth it because it's legit. ShopBack is legit. Yes, I was able to get cashback as well from SHOPEE, from my SHOPEE purchases. But usually, it's really little, like 0.03 pesos, 1.13 pesos. And it takes around like 3 months in order for me to get that cashback. But still, it's still a good thing, right? Because of course the money will accumulate and you can see the date also on when you will receive the cashback. So I just want you guys to know also that I will be doing a mini SHOPEE series on the month of October and November. That will be daily, I think, or I'm gonna do it every other day. I will be answering your SHOPEE questions. So comment down below if you have any questions. And those videos that I will make per day, that's gonna be like 2 minutes already so that it's direct to the point. I know that's what you guys want. So yeah, see you guys in these next videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye! I'm wearing my 12 years old dress, by the way. I'm glad it still fits me. Anyways.